Good morning, students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Monday, May 11th. Have a great day. Today is a day one.
Good morning, Unity students and parents. Today, starting another week, it's on Monday, and just a few things. We are going to make some changes today. Your question of the day is going to be in the video announcements, and I'll probably do that a little bit later. I know I will be doing that a little bit later. And I want to explain to you our big project for this week. Before we do that, just as a reminder, get your stuff in. Anything that's late or missing, please get it done. Email us. Let us know. We'll check it and then get the grade in to Skyward. If you do not have your Skyward password, a couple people asked me for that. We can find it for you pretty quickly and get it back to you. Make sure you're doing everything though within those assignments, not just kind of rushing your way through and trying to get it done, because that's not going to work. That's not how that goes. So make sure you're getting everything, because your learning is really super important. Today and for this week, we're going to continue the argumentative writing project. It's going to stay in the science folder since it's both the science and language arts combined. And what you'll find last week, you went through and you did your graphic organizer for it, where you had your reason and then what your claim was. And then you had, like, for the reasons for your claim, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, and then some facts behind it. This week, you'll be taking your graphic organizer and then turning it into a writing paper. So when you're turning it into the paper, you need to listen very, very carefully to the directions. Today, in the science folder, Miss Brady gives a very great description of how you take it from the graphic organizer into your paper. She actually shows you how she does hers and then puts it into the paper and typing it as she goes. And she gives you a lot of options as to what you can do and how you can do with transitions and different things that you've learned before in writing this year, and putting those together to make it more meaningful, but then also more a stronger argument. And it's what you're trying to do, is you're trying to make that argument. So she also has one where she's broken hers down and color-coded it into different colors, meaning like, here's a transition, here's my facts, this is where we would go, this is our title, the different things that you do need. When you are doing these, you're going to do those in a Google Doc, and she will explain that in her the video that she made, but you're going to do it in a Google Doc. Please share that Google Doc with both Miss Brady and me, and we can help you, and we'll do some editing, and we can, if you're struggling a little bit, or if it's a lot of stuff that we can give you some ideas on, we may email you a link to do a Zoom meeting. And if you would like to do a Zoom meeting with this or with any other things, please email us and ask, like, hey, can we meet to be able to try to work some of these things out. So make sure when you're writing yours, you put your Google Doc, you put it, and you share it with both Miss Brady and me. All right, for your writing for today, so your topic for your writing for today, and it's not going to be listed in there, but you just go to your regular part, question of the day, and this is what you're writing about. I have it right here. So the first one, would you rather go back into the past, or go back in time and meet your ancestors? So would you rather go back in time and meet your ancestors, or go to the future to meet your great-grandchildren? So 2 choices. Would you rather go back into the past to meet your ancestors, or would you rather go to the future to meet your great-grandchildren? Your choice with the time machine, and just wanted to add this down here. So don't be the one who steps on the butterfly. So that's your question of the day. Have a good week. And again, any questions or anything like that, just email us, and we'll get back to you. Keep up the hard work. See you later.